Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to download and install Google Drive on your MacBook. So first of all, open your preferred web browser. Here I'm gonna open the Google Chrome browser. Now normally you have to type here download drive. Now you have to type on the address bar download drive for desktop. After then, choose this option. Scroll down a bit and here you will get an option to download it. Normally click on it and the file will be started to download. Here you can see that I have downloaded it twice. Open it and now double click on it to complete the installation process. Click on continue, click on allow and press again continue and so on. Give your password to continue again. And that's it. You have successfully installed Google Drive on your MacBook. Now you will see an icon like this on the top of your screen. If you click on this, you can log in with your email account and you will get all of the files on your Finder. And here is the file. That's all about the guide. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.